The Chairman of the Presidential Task Force, Honorable Ministers, members of the PTF, gentlemen of the press, good evening. So today I will briefly talk on the issue of risk communications. The PTF has been working extensively with partners to implement a comprehensive and aggressive engagement response, as you're aware, to COVID-19. However, in the course of this implementation, we've come across a lot of disbelief, a lot of apathy and fatigue. And these have led to issues, challenges with compliance and behavior change among our citizens. But then we do recognize that behavior change takes time. And therefore, if we were to implement a multi-pronged strategy, which is where we are going at the moment, particularly working with our risk communication and community engagement pillar, we should be able to address some of these challenges. So firstly, in the area of risk communication, we continue to communicate messages and the reasoning behind the non-pharmaceutical interventions. So for instance, why do you need to wear a mask? How do you wear a mask properly? Why are we targeting the elderly and vulnerable when it comes to prevention programs? The importance of targeting youth, and also providing information on the symptoms of COVID-19 and where to go and get tested. And in this regard, we have started publishing testing locations in all states and their phone numbers to ease access to tests. Secondly, in the area of community engagement, sensitization and awareness, as well as grassroots mobilization, as it refers to citizen action, we are currently doing a lot of community mobilization in high-burden local government areas through our partners and also state health promotion officers to encourage the use of face masks in a variety of social situations, including motor parks, markets, using motorized campaigns, advocacy with community leaders, traditional and religious leaders. You may have also observed that there's a lot of campaign going on the social media as well as in our TV stations to do with sharing the experience of COVID-19 survivors who are willing to share their stories with us. And we are grateful for their consent to do so. It's really important that we dispel the disbelief on COVID-19, and those that will help us the most are those that have had COVID, because they know it is real. Thirdly, in the area of state alignment and implementation of engagement strategy, we are continuing to engage closely with the states for activities that are critical for sustainability and impact. And this includes working with regards to enforcement of protocols, using mobile courts, fines, etc. And the PTF will continue to proactively work with the MDAs, Governors Forum, state actors, and partners to execute our coordinated and extensive response. Finally, as usual, we'll continue to urge the public to please be vigilant, to remain safe, to remain cautious, and just know that COVID is still very much around and we need to keep ourselves safe. Thank you.